In this video, we made a list of why parents hate kids from different countries. Vietnam, not doing any course. Mexico, not being grateful. Turkey, drinking alcohol under 18. Brazil, asking for money. India, many hours with the phone. Bangladesh, sleeping late. Indonesia, having a bad language. Pakistan, going out late. USA, wearing torn jeans. Malaysia, not wanting a normal job. Philippines, bringing friends at home. Russia, listen to songs with bad words. Egypt, don't give respect to elders. France, always farting. China, talk about Taiwan. Bhutan, chewing tobacco. Sudan, being lesbian. Hungary, don't eat properly. Romania, always got dirty clothes. Spain, sleeping too much. Iran, not wearing hijab. Nepal, fighting with your parents. Greece, trying hard drugs. Argentina, dropping out of college. Australia, bad grades. Germany, smoking cigarettes. Italy, missing school day on purpose. Sri Lanka, yelling at parents. United Kingdom, playing video games 24/7. Thailand, getting a tattoo.